Every great project starts with precision. We began by measuring the tubular steel segments, double-checking our dimensions against the blueprint. Accuracy at this stage is everything. After marking the steel, we moved to the cutting station. Once the primary cuts were done, we headed back to the school workshop to refine the edges. We used 45-degree magnets as our guide. This was a crucial step to make sure our angles were true, before even thought about picking up a welding torch. Before we started the assembly, Sir Mark gave us a comprehensive walkthrough on the welding machine. He didn't just show us how to turn it on, he explained the science behind setting the amperage for the thickness of our tubular steel. He demonstrated the correct hand positioning and emphasized the importance of PPE, from the hood to the gloves, reminding us that safety is just as important as the weld itself. With the theory down, it was time for the real work. We focused on the base of the structure first. To keep ourselves from getting confused, we number each side and its corresponding partner piece. This simple organizational trick saved us so much time, especially when you're working in a busy shop environment. We work as a team to align the numbered pieces and began the initial tacking.
Engineering projects always come with surprises. As we were welding the base, we noticed some gaps between the metal joints. Instead of starting over, we improvised. We took the metal from a welding rod and melted it directly into the gaps as a filler. It took a bit of patience, but it worked perfectly to create a seamless, strong connection. By the end of the session, the base was solid, though we hadn't started on the stand yet. To stay on schedule, Sam took the project home to work on the finishing touches. He used a technique of hammering the welds immediately after finishing a bead. This prevents those ugly bumps from forming and keeps the metal smooth. After cleaning up the joints, he attached the stand and side rails, making sure every single edge was rounded off and secured for safety. He spent a lot of time polishing the base to make sure it was perfectly level and comfortable to sit on. Back together for the final step, we gave the entire piece a deep polish. We used metal brushes to scrub away any remaining oxidation until the tubular steel had a bright and professional shine. Seeing it go from raw metal tubes to a safe, pleasing, and functional piece of furniture was the best part of the process. And that's it! Project complete!